So, we are at the airport. Why are we here?
What airport?
We're at LA.
Okay, just
Why are we here? Why are we here?
I kidnapped you.
I got kidnapped today. We're going to...
You were going to go first on either hike or like outing and then dinner, but what happened?
So maybe we need to back up just a little bit. Because what's the point of this whole trip?
I think it's more like a Father's Day, early Father's Day trip. Because I'm busy the rest of the weekend.
She's busy on my day.
Father's Day.
But anyway, so we're going on a little adventure today, as you see.
Less than 24 hours.
We're at the beautiful LAX, and we are going on a trip to one of my favorite restaurants
Don't let them know
ever.
yet. But you can't let them know now.
Which you're gonna have to keep watching in order to see it.
Yeah.
But so hang tight, take you along for the ride. It's gonna be a long,
I know, but it'll be worth it.
but quick trip for some good food. And
See you later, right?
yeah, so hang tight, see where we're going, and
Till next time. Or
I'll catch you somewhere. Most important part of the trip. Most important part of the trip is what candy to get. What candy to get? 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 What candy to fit? Boarding passes, check. Snacks for the flight, check. Ready to rock and roll. Next stop, it's all mid-flight snack. It's a little turkey sandwich. A little fruit cheese platter. Big bowl. Some cranberry mix. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are at our destination in the wonderful state of Hawaii, here in Honolulu. And would you take a look at this view? A wonderful aircraft over the ocean. Order of business here in Hawaii is to go get us some good grub. So we're gonna go visit Duke's and go get us some food. I think it's actually that way. Is it that way? Somewhere around it. We can go eat. So we are currently at one of my favorite restaurants ever, Duke's, here in Waikiki, and check these views out.
First time at Duke's. Dr. Pepper for you?
Oh yes, please. Guys, we are lucky at those ribs. We got a little bit of, I don't know what this is, but it looks good. And a whole basket of fries. Someone's getting dirty right now, I'll tell you that. It's gonna be a dirty, dirty dinner. And that is that. Meal is over. Fantastic meal as always. But like I said, one of my favorite restaurants all time, Duke's. You outdid yourself. Give you a solid 9.5. 9.5 out of 10. What you give yours? 0.5 because I was still trying to finish my last French fries and the guy took my plate. So 9.5 because dude tried to take a couple of my French fries away.
That was
Mr. Server, slow it down. What,
they were getting
what did you give yours?
Oh, mine was good. I was doing the buffet though. So
Yeah,
it was
I ordered off the menu like a fancy person. The baby back ribs. Someone ordered off the buffet,
yeah.
or I guess not ordered off the buffet, ate off the
I
buffet.
feel windy now.
So, but yeah, Duke's is awesome. We're gonna walk down Waikiki Beach and go see what we can get up to. Hi guys, this is one of the spots right here on the beach. This pier right here. People be jumping off the pier, jumping off the shack down at the end of the pier. It's just a cool place to chill and watch the beach goers, watch the action on the beach. So, yeah, cool spot. So guys, you cannot come to Waikiki without visiting the famous ABC store. This place is crazy cool.
Do you remember what it stands
So,
for?
I don't know what it stands for. If anyone knows what it stands for, put it in the comments. But these stores are fantastic. So let's put them to the test. Let's see if they got my number one beverage. So we're gonna go to the back, see if they got my beverage. And if they do, then they're cool in my books. So let's see. Ah, they got it. Sweet. So this is the perfect way to spend a beautiful Sunday morning, walking down Waikiki Beach with Dr. Pepper in the hands. So Dr. Pepper, Waikiki Beach, enjoying the sunshine, enjoying the good stuff over here. That's how you spend a Sunday. That's how you spend it right there. Check it out, y'all. Right over there is Diamond Head, the volcano that's not really a volcano. Or at least it's not active, so it's cool. As long as no smoke starts coming out, we cool.
There's people on the top actually.
So
Try to see a little bit.
there is people, you can actually hike all the way up there if you want,
It's good to do in the morning, not right
but definitely morning time activity, not a nighttime activity. So the zoo's over there somewhere,
now. Right there.
right there.
Honolulu Zoo.
If you want to go see the Honolulu Zoo
And a big tree.
and a big tree. Oh wait, that's a big tree.
That's a bigger tree.
Huge tree, and then obviously Waikiki Beach. Beautiful Waikiki Beach. Sun is shining, weather is beautiful, and the view is fan.
Can you tell them where we're heading right now?
So guys, look at that view. Will you just look at that view? Fantastic view. Like I say, sun is shining, weather's perfect, beautiful, and the view's good. So we are heading out to that little pier slash breakwater slash long strip of rocks, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna go way out there where those people are and see the waves break.
It's a wave breaker.
It's like a wave breaker.
So there's a story behind that.
Tell the story.
No, you tell the story
No,
because
tell
you
the
were
story.
actually like the person. Okay, hours before we had to like leave to our flight. Everything was packed. The only thing he actually brought was a pair of jeans for this whole trip.
This was
And
not
swimming
this trip,
trunks.
not this trip. This was I think the last trip or the trip before
Yeah,
last.
I don't know, but anyways, we were like chilling, and he didn't realize. I guess the tide came up, but a huge wave came, and he was posing for this video, and a huge wave came and got him all soaking wet. And this is like the actual clothes he was wearing for the flight. So yeah, you should
so
see that clip somewhere.
I wanted to get a video of a wave breaking in front of me with the water splashing up in front of me, not getting wet, just having that
Yeah.
splash in front of me. And I misjudged one of the waves, and it broke, and it came over me, and it soaked me. So, yeah, maybe if I can find that clip,
And just now,
we'll have to put it in somewhere.
Jesus loves you, okay? I just got this pamphlet from the beautiful lady. She gave me this. Jesus loves you.
Jesus loves you.
Eating me some Jesus today on Sunday.
Jesus loves you on Waikiki Beach in Honolulu, Hawaii.
Yeah.
There we go. You heard it here. A little bit of Jesus on your Sunday.
Hopefully you don't get wet right now.
Alright, peace. Alright guys, let's walk out on the pier. Look at the water. Once again, look at that view. The hotels on Waikiki start right there and go all the way down the beach, all the way down there. The water is, it's clearish, a little bit murky, but it's cool. Oh look, you got your crab right there if you can see him. Another one right there. Check out this view. Maybe you can see them, the little fish are out there. But let's keep walking out here. See what we can see out here.
Fishing! I mean birdie! Fishing! Oh.
The water's just starting to break over the end of this. Check it out. Got a couple surfers out paddleboarding. Alright, we're gonna see if we can make it out there and not get wet. Alright guys, check out this view. Alright, we're gonna start right there. Check out this view. So yeah, we're right at the end of Waikiki Beach. Right at the end of the next, I think that's the, I don't know what it is, but yeah, we're right at the end of the Waikiki Beach by the zoo. Just enjoying the view, enjoying the breeze. So guys, right behind me is the Tesla store. See the car over there somewhere? Where's it? Right there. There's a Tesla car. So we're gonna go in the Tesla store, take a look at these cars. That one right behind me with that white interior looks smashing. Car goals right there. Car goals. Let's go take a look at them. Yeah.
That's your birthday gift? You want one?
Father's Day.
Nope. Oh, let me see. Oh, it slides.
Yeah.
Crazy.
That white interior. The wizardry. All I'm saying is that white interior, that's pimping right there. Pimping. Hashtag car goals. Car goals. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, this trip has came to an end. We're back at the airport. As you can see behind me, right over there somewhere, right there, Chota. back at the airport. I love this airport, how open it is. The hallways connecting the different gates and the terminals, wide open. You get that nice Hawaiian breeze coming. But yeah, we're at the airport. We're waiting for our flight, and it's been a smashing day. We had some really good fun. Had some good food over there at Duke's. We had good flights, so hopefully, fingers crossed, flight on the way back's good. And yeah, that would do the surprise Father's Day lunch, I guess, here in Honolulu that the wife organized. So thanks to her, and we'll see you, I don't know, we'll see you sometime. We're back in LA. Thank you for planning a surprise getaway for the last minute trip over to Honolulu for lunch.
Yeah, just for lunch.
One of my favorite restaurants, Duke's. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button somewhere. I don't know where it is, down there somewhere. Hit the subscribe button. If you're a regular to the channel, thank you. Don't forget to hit up the Instagram, the Twitter, links in the bottom. And what? Huh? What?
Nothing.
What were you saying?
Nothing. Amazing, Paul. You didn't bring a jacket.
And until next time, see ya.